Kungalusha adventurers, welcome back to another TMR Tours. Today we're going to look at the opening day of Rise of the Resistance. Our day started at 3:30 a.m., going to the parking lot from 4 a.m. and waiting it out until we were led into the land just around 6:30 a.m.
All right, here we go. We're going in. This is it. Don't get scared now.
So come along and enjoy this amazing experience with us for the first time.
Welcome to Disney's
Look at all those data pads. Can't live without a data pad. As I'm filming on a data pad.
6:27, we're getting in.
Here we go, guys. We're Emory Griffith College, number 11. We are part of the first slew of people here. Now let's walk through this amazing queue that we've been looking at for some time. Beyond the turnstiles, beyond the ropes. Guys, this is cool. This is the amazing water feature. Oh my. It looks splendiferous. A lot of interesting textures from Batuu. Yes. Look, oh, look at here. Look at the blasters. Wow. Blast it all. Jeez, I don't even. Every turn, every corner.
Recruits, welcome. Thank you.
Incoming transmission from Rey. BB8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Rey, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Take evasive action!
Try to shake your blow!
I'm trying!
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to get out of the way! Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump. Be ready, you won't have much time. Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. Get out of there! We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam.
Good day. All right, that's lovely.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
It's Luke Skywalker. He's here to rescue us.
There's no time to waste.
If anyone's making a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
So guys, Rise of the Resistance. Amazing.
Yes. Final thoughts for the day is that it is probably the best ride that Disney has, and
It's not even a ride, it's more of an experience, like a multi-phase experience. You do simulators, the live special effects guys
the
are...
cast members that you interact with.
Yes, they did a great job of, again, being in the moment, being in Star Wars.
It's everything that they originally advertised and more.
So get excited, because we were skeptical, but we were impressed. The layered special effects is like nothing they've done. It's kind of stuff you've probably seen, but not to this extent.
Yeah.
Not at all.
No,
And
it was amazing. It's almost words can't describe it.
Yeah.
The best thing I can say is go to Hollywood Studios, check for
Jump
those
it on.
boarding passes.
I didn't want to do this. I was like, come on, it can't be this good. The hype is real.
It's real.
I didn't want to be one to have to even say that, because that's so cliche at this point. But it is. It was. I'm getting goosebumps still talking about it with people, because it's amazing.
Today is Walter Elias Disney's birthday, and very fittingly, this ride was released today.
Yeah, opened, and they did a great job.
So
Congratulations,
thank you,
Imagineer.
Walt, for bringing Imagineers into our lives, and thank you, Imagineers, for bringing Rise of the Resistance to us, the guests.
Bringing it to life so everyone can have their own Star Wars adventure. So guys, until next time, we will see you real soon.
I'm Stacy.
I'm Ryan, TMR Tours.
Kungaloosh.
Kungaloosh.
Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour.
Subscribe for more vacation tips.
Feel free to leave comments below with the things that you want to learn more about.
For more Disney facts and our blog, check out TMR Tours over on Facebook. See you on another adventure from around the world. Kungaloosh.